Kublai pi baro ngi pedang sngobhai pi sha kan ke tup kubor jungi menta ka janmit haswabnya sedang ni pet chwa ya kimat ki bakongsan ka jing penek pensa e ka boarding kan yarap shibun ha ka jingile persha ya ki jing e jong ka jingkala ka sunbreng bat ka global warming ong ka president kari ya soi sekolah ke Sarkar Meghalaya bat ka Apollo Tele Health Networking Foundation na kabenta ka Cancer Care Project ka Baningkong. Kular kanong ilam ka AITC ka Mamata Banerjee ba ka seng kan penbet ya kijing ya ka jaya kaput ka bala sa teng la slam ladawan hakabor. Bat lek penyeso arngut kinong tau an berem na kaseng NPP, uwe unong tau an na kaseng AITC, bat unong tau an ke independent, siya kaseng BGP. Kikubor kibabnya, ka Presiden Kari ka Draupadi Murmu, kalau ong ba kajing penek pensa ya ka boarding kalong ka atiar ka bakongsan Shibun, banyere persya ya kajing jong kajing kala ka simpening bat ka global warming. Haba ajing keren ha kajing rakhi ya ka International Energy Conservation Day hanong ba Delhi hene kasngi ka President kalau ong ba ka per capita emission hakari ka dunatang shibenta na ka lai benta na ka world's average emission. Ka ba penpau ya ka jingshim kia jong ka ban pene pensa ya ka maryang. Hakani kasngi Menteri Katanat Boarding u RK Singh ulo ong ba ka India ka don ha ka lenti ban poi sya ka thong blabu ha ka jing penmi duna ya ka le air carbon haswa ka por bat kala ban penduna ya ka jing penmi da kumbalai pulai na ka shispa. Haba keren pang ka jing penne ya ka Energy Conservation Amendment Bill arajar arpuar. Ulo ong ba kari kadang yai persyang ban poi sya ka thong ban penduna ya ka jing penmi ya ka air carbon da sau pusan na ka shispa hapo jung snem arajar laipau.
हम सबकी सर्वोच्च प्राथमिकता है
ka Sarkar Jala bat ka Apollo Tele Health Networking Foundation. Kila ya soi sekolah na ka benta ka Cancer Care Project ka Baningkong ha Meghalaya. Menteri Katanat ka kot ka khia UGM Sangma. Ulo ong ba ka ni ka dei ka klipmat ka basngau sarong. Bat ulo ong ba ka Sarkar ka kwa ban ai ya ka jing pai kmat amtang syakru kam ai jing sumar henrai ban syamru khamkloy ya ka jing pang. Ya ka ni ka project lale kum ka jing persyang ka ban sedang Ningkong ha East KHASI Hills District. Kani kan long kum ban ailat ban pinklan bat ban kentiu ya ka jingla ban syam khamkloy ya ka jingpang bampong lengba ka jingpen priang jingtep bat ka jingwat benya bat kumta kan rapat yangi ban ay ka jing sumar ki badon kam Menteri Katanat ka kot ka khia ula ong ru ba ka Sarkar ka thmu ban bu ya ka Ayush bat ka wellness center ka ban sapli ha Upper Shillong.
Want to give a very focused approach, not just in terms of treatment but also early detection and also in terms of maintaining their data which is very important. Yes, this is the Ayush and Wellness Center which we are starting at the BRDC. This is to bring in all the best practices of Ayush and try to integrate that with our traditional healers.
Kanong ilam jangka All India Trinamool Congress ka Mamata Banerjee hinen kasngi kala kular ba ka seng jangka kan sa penbet ya ki jeng ya kaja kaput ki bala sa teng laslem lada ka seng kawan hakabor haus nem arajar arpulai haba kerpat igi pat ba banjit ya ka seng TMC ka menteri rangba jong ka Jala West Bengal kala pensyai ba ka jing tmu jong ka seng kamdei ban yo ya ka bor ban sensyar ya ka Jala Meghalaya na Kolkata henrei ka dei ban pentikna ba ki pat ka Jala kinyo ban sumar hi ya ka halor ka jing pentrai kam ya ka ILP ha ka Jala ka Banerjee kala kular ba ansa thaw ya ka expert committee ka ban sale ya baro ki jing nan kam lada ka seng kala ban shna Sarkar ha ka Jala.
You see, this is a very sensitive issue. After the government is formed, then our state government will set up experts committee and they will take a decision because it is a very sensitive issue since long. Nobody is taking care and BJP has taken it very lightly and also NPP. But we are taking it very seriously. So they will, if the government our government is there, that they will take up the issue and they will set up a experts committee and they will take the necessary action.
Arngut ki nong thau ain barem na kaseng NPP, uway nong thau ain na kaseng AITC, but unong thau ain independent kilalet ban pinyaso eladi but kaseng BJP ne kasengi hanong ba Delhi. Kini ki arngut ki dukhat barem ke NPP ki long u Benedict Marak na rak samgre, but ka Ferlin Sangma na salsela, but unong thau ain kaseng AITC iba HM Shangpliang na Mausanram. Usamul Sangma na Bakmara ubalong rukumju udukhat jong kaseng UDP. Kila no kam dang kendiat sngi na kayong darbar thau an ke jala kumki MLA. Kini kisaungot kila penyaso iladi bat kaseng BJP hapo kajing yadon lang jong National President ka BJP u JP Nada. Unong ilam ka BJP u Himanta Biswa Sarma u State President ka BJP uba Ernest Mauri. Katba kajing deng kali ha ke jala ka yai beteng kat nang mi kisngi. U officer barem katanat pulit ubalong ru unang ilam kaseng BJP uba marihom karkrang sa sisin la banjur halor kajing dan kam bantay no ya kasurok flyover hakanong ba habakren halor kajing kiu jong kajing kali uba karkrang ula ong ba ya kumkini kijing ja la jusyam ru hakithan jong ka not shillong ula ong ba kalong ka ba banyo jaka ha ka ban penyeng yaki kali na kadaw jong kajing tay shibun teli yaki dukan kam don chu kano kalat ka ban pendunai kajing kali tat hado andalayo ya kasurok flyover bat ula banjur ru halor kajing dan kam bantay ye shibun teli ki jaka penyengkali haslong hakajo kapor ula ai jingmut ya ka sarkar ba kadai ban shimkia ban pin bhai ya ki jaka ya ki chat na ka banta ki pat ba.
There are certain intersections when you look, it is not because of traffic congestion, but it is because of the intersections. You see here there are few places where you have about 4 or 5 intersections. And if you are releasing one intersection, then you have to close 4 intersections. Now, if you are not addressing that issue, then you can have broader roads also will not help you. So it is time that we start looking at flyovers. Second thing is that we should also start looking at parking lots. And if you are saying parking lots, then please have only parking lots and nothing else.
La play patba ya ka police outpost habarato hinin kasngi daw MLA kathan uba no jorki sungo haringkat kajing yasanran lang jong u deputy commissioner ka West Jantia Hills district uba BS Solia u superintendent of police u BD Marak u MDC ka barato uba ai lang shadap bat kinong song kani ka outpost kan pet kan kmi ya arp waitli kisnong bat kajing don jong kinong song ka balong palat ya ka arpun riu hajar ngut yakni ka outpost ka beran 100.2 ekar ka jaka kala ais ngubha da uba resident profitable dakar haba ajing kren uba nujor ki sungo ulo ong ba ka khatlai trik no pra kan long kasngi sa kenmau ha ka history ha ka bala play ya ka outpost but don jing kermen ba ka jingkiu jongki kam sniu ha kani ka shnong bat ki shnong ki ba kham marjan kin kham duna ha ka jo kapor la kin turu ya kin nong song shnong ban ai jing kershan bat banyatrai lang ringkat bat ki pulit na kabentha ka ba kamiat jong baro.
We will look into in the days to come. Yes, we do have a shortage, but not to the crunch that we don't have at all. We will try to manage whatever in possible way to run this Barato outpost. At this initial stage, we need a good cooperation from the people to run and to do the policing and the administration so that it reaches to each and every nook and corner of the village under this Barato outpost.
Ka St. Anthony's College Shillong, haringkat ka jingetrailang bat ka Bio Resources Development Center, kabadai ka R&D Institution and the Planning Department jong ka Sarkar Meghalaya. Kalapanlong ya ka International Conference ka ba RSNI halor ka Biodiversity and Conservation kam workshop on traditional medicine. Haba ajing kren kum ukongsan Menteri Badikmi ya katanat Forest and Environment u James P.K. Sangma ulo ong ba kani ka program kalong kum shibenta bansam ki katu kat ni ki jingnang jingtip bat hakajo kapor ban ai mensim ya ki nong sumar tenrai ula benrap ba ka jala kalong kawai na ki barus pa tam ha ka bayedei bat ki jingdon jing em jong ka mariang ha ka perthai kumta kalong ka badan kam bangin itu ya kum kini ki jingklan bat kumno bante lakam yaka.
Important for us to recognize
recognize that kind of strength and see how we leverage that strength and take conservation efforts to a whole new level. And I think that it holds very true for us that this is the backbone on which we also must ride to take our conservation efforts to the next level.
Mendapat ingin pet ya kajing long juman kesenbereng haslong. Kajing shit kalong kat 0.2 degree Celsius, bat kajing kret kalong 0.1 degree Celsius. Kajing singam kahaw kalong 0 pusan na kashi spa performance step bat prapu ar na kashi spa por janmit. Kasun berengkan rang haslong. Sa si sinpat ipin kan mabing yapi bayakan ya kubor ke jongi. Pilar ban pet live ha ke YouTube channel jong ka di news Shillong, bat pilar ban pet yaki kubor ban la kasngi ha ka Facebook, ka Twitter, bat ke Instagram jong ka di news Shillong. Haswa bangin pinkut in pet yang sai sin yakimat ki bakungsan. Kajing penek pensa ya ka boarding kan yarap sibun ha kajing elek persya ikijing jong kajing kala ka sunbreng bat ka global warming ong ka Presiden Kari. Yasoi sekolah ke Sarkar Meghalaya bat ka Apollo Tele Health Networking Foundation na kabenta ka Cancer Care Project ka Banlingkong. Kular kanong ilam ka All India Trinamool Congress ka Mamata Banerjee baka seng kan penbet ya kijing ya kaja kaput kabala sateng laslam ladawan hakabor. Bat let penyaso arngut kinong tawaan berem na kaseng NPP, uwe unong tawaan na kaseng AITC, bat unong tawaan independent siya kaseng BJP. Di perlaw katung lapoy siya kabukod jong kanang katup kubor jongi mentaga janmit. Hadum na siya mga patpila siya kasengi kublay yapi baro.
डिजिटल बैंकिंग का है जमाना, टाइम है